Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. Today I am painting with oils for the first time in 9 years. Last time when I tried painting with them, I had absolutely no idea on how to handle them. I painted 2 to 3 small paintings and the last one actually ended up attracting all the dust particles and small monsoon insects. It was a mess, so I just abandoned oils after that. This time I did a lot of research to find what will work best for my style of painting. Let's prepare the painting surface first, then I will show you some of the things that I got. I will be painting in my current favorite acrylic sketchbook. It has 260 GSM paper and it's from Ayush paper. I am going to apply 2 coats of gesso. This will ensure the paper doesn't absorb all the oil from the paints. Now let's talk about the materials. These are the colors that I got. I generally don't end up using all the colors that are included in a set, so I got individual tubes instead. For the medium, I got liquid, which speeds up the drying time and will help increase the flow. I also got this odor-free mineral spirit for cleaning my brushes. I wanted to get the General's brush soap instead, but that was out of stock at the moment. For the brushes, I just got this cheap synthetic brush set, and I also got this filbert and small round brush. I also got this transparent mixing palette, and I will use this old hand towel to clean the brushes. For this painting, I am using titanium white, Indian yellow, cadmium red, Indian red, forest green, primary blue, and French ultramarine blue. I didn't know how much liquid I would need, so I just scooped out a small amount, but I ended up using a lot more than that. I'm starting by slightly marking out some basic shapes of the landscape. I will be painting this in alla prima, which means to paint in one sitting. I'm not going to wait for the layers to dry. I will just layer colors upon each other until I like how it looks. Now I'm going to block all the colors, mostly using darker tones. Using a larger brush for this step speeds up the process. Right now the color temperature is looking very warm, but by the end it will shift towards cooler tones as I layer on the colors. I was actually having a little bit of trouble while mixing colors. I just couldn't get the right tones because all the colors were so pigmented, especially the darker colors. So I just ended up going with the flow. I started applying base tones of the greens and blending the grass into the stairs. I also made the tree much darker using Indian red, primary blue and a tiny amount of forest green. Since these are oils and everything is still wet, I went over all the grass, tree and stairs to blend them all together and soften all the edges. I pre-mixed a light, medium and dark green and a darker brownish green color, as I will be adding all the details now and I will need a good amount of these colors. I started by adding some highlights and shadows to the tree using white, Indian red and that brownish green color. Using a small round brush, I am painting the shadows in the foreground bushes. I am making a random shape and adding some individual grass blades to them. Now adding the highlights on the stairs with the lighter green color, and using the same brush I am blending the harsh lines of the highlights. Now I am using the dark green colors to give an impression of broken stairs. Using the same color, I added shadows to the bushes in the background. Now I am adding some brown dry leaves and grass using Indian red, blue and white. I am going back in with the big filbert brush to add more shadows to the bushes and making grass blades using the tip of the brush. I loaded the same brush with the lighter green color and started adding all the highlights to the bushes, using the tip of the brush to add individual grass blades. Then I switched to the smaller round brush to add more details. I also added some grass in the front as it was looking very empty. I added white to the light green color and added some flowers and highlights on the grass in the foreground. Then I switched to a smaller round brush and added more flowers and highlights in the foreground by adding even more white to the light green color that I previously mixed. And this is how the final painting looks. I really like how it turned out, very muted and impressionist. Let me know in the comments what do you think of my second attempt at oil painting. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the description box for the details. I hope that you have a lovely day and I will see you next time. Bye.